So if you're interested in watching the review, you know, I'll put the link on there for you guys to check it out. Now today what I want to do is, when I did the review, I did an outdoor flight, I had the camera pointing slightly down, but I realized that when the quadcopter pitches forward, you see a lot of ground. So fortunately this camera has a way to adjust the lens upward, so I've adjusted it upward, and I want to see now if even if it's pitched forward, you should still be able to look forward. So today I'm going to test that out. I'm going to get some more video with the JJRC H98 and just fly it here around this field and go ahead and start the video. This little red light on there, I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to see it, but when video starts, the red light stays solid, and for pictures it just stays, it's just one blink. So now I'm gonna start the video. Okay, so now it should be recording. We're good to go. So let's go get some video there. Alright, so it's still on the second rate. Now the wind is a little bit stronger today than it was yesterday when I did the review, so I'm not gonna be able to be as precise with it today, but still pretty good. Very nice flyer. Okay, so I don't know what happened there, but I was oh snap. Okay, so I lost range. That was kind of unexpected. It lost range there, and that wasn't very far. I didn't notice it doing that yesterday, so let me go get it and we'll give it another try. I'm not sure what happened there. I think I lost range. That distance there, it should have been fine, but so I would say that's probably about 150 yards, so just keep that in mind. Probably won't be able to go further than 150 yards with this quad here, but still pretty cool. So let's I'm gonna start video again, and let's see if we can get some more video. I'll try to be a little more gentle this time. Alright, so I'm gonna try to take it over there, and I mean I can tell the wind's affecting it a little more today. It's still pretty cool. Hopefully we can get some views or something up there. I'm trying to go slow and just kind of not too bumpy. Alright. This is I was looking at how much I paid for this quadcopter. I couldn't remember it, but it was, I think it was like $26. So this quadcopter here for $26, that's really a bargain, because you pay, I mean, if you go to Toys R Us and you get like a Sky Viper S670, you're already gonna pay 50 bucks. So it's a pretty good little quadcopter, price wise, and just overall very good. So I hope the video is showing better. I hope it's not as downward pointing, because like I said earlier, what happens is when you pitch the quadcopter forward, it makes the camera point downward if it's not really pointed up. So hoping that's showing well. Alright, so I'm gonna stop the video now, and I'm just gonna, let me see, bring it over here. So I'm gonna stop the video, go down.